Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're putting two top-tier home security cameras head-to-head, the Ring camera and the Arlo Pro 5S. Stick around to find out which one might be the perfect addition to your home in 2025. Let's begin with the Ring camera. Known for its ease of use, this device offers 1080p HD video with two-way audio, letting you see, hear, and speak to visitors directly from your phone. It integrates seamlessly with Amazon Alexa, giving you voice control over your security. The motion detection system sends real-time alerts, and with options for battery, wired, or solar power, you can choose what fits your setup. Now onto the Arlo Pro 5S. This camera steps up with 2K HDR video quality, ensuring sharper footage with vibrant details. It features an advanced AI detection system to differentiate between people, animals, and vehicles, reducing false alerts. The dual-band Wi-Fi support ensures a reliable connection, and the built-in spotlight and siren add an extra layer of security. Plus, it boasts weather-resistant durability, perfect for indoor or outdoor use. Which would you choose for your home? Are you drawn to the Ring camera for its simplicity and Alexa integration, or the Arlo Pro 5S for its superior video quality and advanced features? Share your thoughts below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.